So how can you make a blurry picture clear on the iPhone? And let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Right, so there might be some more things which are going on. For example, if you have captured the photo in the portrait mode, you can basically enable or disable the portrait and also go to the edit button and adjust the aperture where you basically blur or unblur the background more or less depending on your preference. That is, of course, for the photos captured in the portrait mode. You could also be capturing photos in the live mode, in which case you can also disable the live photo feature, and perhaps it will make the photo look a bit better because it will not be moving anymore, and perhaps the motion blur will be turned off. So that might be another way to just fix that. But if none of this applies to you, you can still perform some edits by going to the edit button like that. And at the end of these options, we have things like noise reduction, definition, and sharpness. And those might bring back some of the sharpness as it's, saying here, but it is not guaranteed to bring back the full a feature to full photo because there is only so much you can do after capturing an image. But there is something, of course, like you can see that you can bring it back to life a little bit or make it not so blurry. As I said, it depends heavily on the exact picture, but at least give it a try to see if it makes any difference. So thanks a lot for watching. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.